Hi guys, Wilson here from Anchor's Way Travel, continuing our Caribbean Village walkthrough. Right here is a beach area where you can have your wedding, your dream wedding. That's where Kelly and I had ours, where they'll set up a makeshift altar, chairs, decorations, absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking to plan a destination wedding, this is definitely one of the spots you can do it at. All right, so we're going to continue along here, the Arizona area of the Caribbean Village. And there's the hot tub. As you can see, one of the employees is getting things, all cleaned up. There's another view of the swim up bar. Here's Arizona's, which is a really awesome restaurant for lunch. Here's a smoothie station for the kids, which they can also make them at the bars for them. The La Carreta, the Erie Grill, the Gyro and Taco Station. So this whole area is very popular. The people hanging out at that Iguana, Arizona pool. Here's another great spot if you're holding your wedding. And some people don't want to get their feet in the sand. If not, you can do it right from here. Just hear the waves crashing in the background. Just beautiful. So as you can see, lots of palm trees, gardens, flowers, just a beautiful area. Very tranquil, very peaceful. Some Adirondack chairs. And if you come up here, they got a little spot, and the spot is great. If you're having a wedding reception and you've only got 5, 6, 7, 10 people, a small wedding, they'll set up a table up here. Or if you're just coming with a group of people and you want a table, you want to have a private dinner, they can do it right in this spot. And every night, that's what I do see. I see, semi-private dinners going on. I'm going to take you here towards the pool. Kind of give you an idea. I know I've showed you the pool from the other perspective. I'm just showing you this because this is my daughter's favorite place by far to eat. It's called Napoli Pizzeria. It's awesome. It's just wood grilled pizza. You come here, you order it probably a good half hour in advance to be on the safe side. And you can order one pizza, you can order 40 pizzas. It doesn't matter. They're what I would call a typical small-sized pizza you get back in the States. But they're fantastic. They've got everything from jerk chicken to Hawaiian chicken, pizza, pepperoni, just regular cheese, margarita. You get pretty much everything. So you guys just saw the Arizona pool. This is the Iguana Pool, like I mentioned earlier. So it's a great little spot to eat lunch, especially if you're hanging out at the Iguana Pool. And here you've got the adult only jacuzzi area. Same thing, overlooking Grace Bay. Just absolutely beautiful. There's some more of those little areas there that you can hang out at. You can see people having their coffee in the morning. And now we approach the Seaside Village, which I will finish up in another video. Thank you.